Hi there, we are going to go through a very brief introduction of AiHouse ANZ. Let's select to draw a design. Let's draw a rectangle in drawing mode. Now let's go over to the side panel, into the floor plan menu and add in some sliding doors. You can easily select and adjust the size of the sliding door by dragging it. You can also change the size in the side panel on the right. Now let's select the flooring, and change this in the side panel library. Once flooring is selected, the size and offset can be adjusted. Now let's go back to the library and select a sofa. You can drag to adjust the size and placement, or you can do that in the right-hand side panel as well. Here you can edit the material if you like. You can also create your own menu where you can save all of your favorite furniture and finishes. Click on Roam in the top right-hand corner to change the view. Here are your controls to move around. You can also use your mouse. Now let's do a quick render by clicking the render button on the right-hand side. Your render screen will be brought up. You can adjust the camera from the top right-hand corner. The camera elevation and angle can also be adjusted on the left-hand side in the render settings. This is our rendered image of a quick and basic render.